Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing from the previous video of the Lufkin tape measures as well as the Jorgensen bar clamps. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to just do a quick unboxing. The reason this one came off so easy was because this was a 2-pack. The original one that was on here, the entire Lufkin cover was missing. The lady tried to find the 16 that they had in stock the best she could. She couldn't find any. She did find this 1-pack. And she noticed it was damaged. It was missing its cap. And she was nice enough to take this one off of a single package and put this one on the dual pack, and then put the damaged one on the single pack. And then she said that she was just gonna damage out the other one, and it's easier to send back one than 2 of them. As you can see on the back, it's kind of scratched up, but it's got some glue on it, so not a big deal. I'm just gonna have to cut it open anyway. Backing plate. There you go. It sits in a little plastic nipple groove right here. So we got those unpackaged. And then this one is just a top tab. Clamps are pretty nicely packaged. The item number on the Jorgensen clamps is item number 93700. And the Lufkin tape measure item number for the 2-pack is L1125B set 2. So Lima 1125, Bravo, Sam, Edward, Tony 2. And it's got a little zip tie. Here's the 6-inch. Does have teeth for knurling on the bar. Push that forward, slide the bar. So that's really nice that it does have the detents. And your thumb screw right here. And then here is a 6-inch or a 12-inch. The one I put down is a 6-inch. Same. Loosen that. Push it. Works really nice. It's a nice orange. They look very well made. I do like the handles. The handles seem to feel very comfortable. Nice and grippy, very rubbery. So there's 2 6s and 2 8s, or 2 12s, not 6 8s. So that's everything I picked up the first time today at the Casa Grande Lowe's. The other items I picked up were at a Queen Creek Gilbert Lowe's. Thank you guys for watching. Please like. Oh, wait, actually, I'll show you the tape measure real quick. Here's the lock on the front. It's nice and easy to... Oh, it's kind of crooked. That's interesting. That one's straight. Wonder if they damaged this. I might have to take this one back, because look how crooked it is. When you push the lock down, it straightens. It doesn't seem right. Oh, it also turns, yeah. It's definitely something wrong with this one. I'm gonna have to take it back. But, it's nice, easy, visible. I like that at every foot mark, it's outlined in a square. It has measurements on the back for like height, which is nice as well. It does have a nice black diamond tipping on the front. One other thing I like is that you can use this hole as for scribing or other items, other things, which is pretty nice. I'll have to demonstrate that on a different video. But the Nite Eye, I like the Nite Eye. That's when I watched Vince's video from VCG Construction, I really liked it. So I'll make sure I'll leave a card up here for Vince from VCG Construction. And I'll also leave the specific video he was talking about this. He does do some demonstrations with it in that video. So I'll link that video until I can do my own demonstrations whenever I have time. But it's nice. The other nice feature about this is the base is actually 3 inches exactly. So if you're measuring something like from a wall, you can actually keep this on the wall. Just butt it up against the end of the wall. And then whatever is here, for like example, you lock it there. The corner that's showing is exactly 20, so you add 3 inches on top of that. So that would be 23 inches, which is really nice. The 35 foot is a little bigger. It's actually 3.5 inches wide. So it's a nice tape measure. Everything looks nice. But like I was trying to say before, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.